Snap Partners, welcome back. It's Saturday morning. So guys, I haven't been doing much of anything this morning. I got up and cleaned up my living room and got my kitchen squared away. So now what I'm getting ready to do is I made me a beet latte that I'm getting ready to drink on. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to do me a little DIY. In the previous video, I had showed you guys that I had went to this like Whole Foods store, and that's where I got my beet powder from. And I also got this detox tea. And I have this little streamer that I put my tea in that I had bought from Amazon like a while ago. And it's in a video when I did a haul. And so what I decided to do was, since I have my little detox tea here, I have a lot of tea bags. So what I'm going to do is just mix different teas together and then just put them in here and label the Ziploc bag. If I want to make me some tea, I can put it in my little streamer. Let me show you guys my streamer right quick. Okay. So here goes my little streamer right here. The reason why I'm going to open the tea bags and put them in a Ziploc bag is because, for the simple fact, when I use this, I can use this like 2 or 3 times in that same day. Like, it really gets all of the nutrients and just all the good stuff from the tea in your drink. And then I can reuse it again, the same strength, because I'm using just the plain tea ingredients instead of the tea bag. Now, I've double dipped and used a tea bag twice, but it wasn't as strong. Let me show you guys the teas that I have. Hold on. I know it's crazy that I'm chewing after I drink that, but that little powder, let me show you guys my powder. My little beet powder right here. And the ingredients is just beets. See? That's just the ingredients, beets. And the thing about it, it's like it's like little pieces of beets in there, so that's why I be chewing it. But anywho, let me get back to what I was saying. I just wanted to have a different view for you guys. I know y'all probably like, this girl make her video in her kitchen. Yes, a lot of my videos are gonna be in my kitchen. Or if I'm out and about, or a lot of them probably just be in my kitchen. It might be a little bit in my house, but it ain't gonna be too much in my house because I don't feel like everybody need to see my house, whatever, however you want to say it. But it's tea in here. And the different teas I got in here, guys. Let's see what I got. That's what each tea blend is, okay? So the Tazo Chai Classic is a robust blend of black tea, cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, and spices. That sounds good. Then we got the Tazo Calm Chamomile. This tea has a comfortable herbal infusion of chamomile, rose petals, and soothing herbs. Okay, soothing herbs, I like that, soothing herbs. Okay, then we got the Tazo Zen, which is this. And the Tazo Zen is a harmonious blend of green tea with lemongrass and spearmint. Okay, I like that. So let's see what else we got. So these are all the same. Ones are the same, like I said, I'm gonna just put them together. That way when I open them, you know what I'm saying, they can be just together. Okay, so I got the Tazo Refreshment. And the Tazo Refreshment, an invigorating herbal infusion of peppermint and spearmint dressed up with a pinch of tarragon. Not invigorating. Okay, I like whoever wrote the little descriptions of the tea. I know. I ain't no tea can be invigorating, honey. And then it said, with a pinch of tarragon. Okay. Then I got my lemon ginger. This is my all-time favorite because I love lemon ginger tea. I love ginger. I just like the smell of ginger when it's cooking, when it's hot, when you drinking it. It just smells good. I don't know, ginger just smells good. I probably could wear it as a perfume if I wanted to. But lemon ginger, so this just got organic ginger root, organic lemongrass, lemon flavor, licorice root, organic lemon peel, organic peppermint leaf, organic black pepper. So this is what's in this lemon tea. I said what I've done so far. This blend here has elderberry, echinacea, hibiscus, green tea, and spearmint. This blend here has green tea, lemongrass, peppermint, lemon, ginger. And then this one here has lemon, ginger, green tea, and what else? Yeah, this one is just lemon, ginger, and green tea. It just put some little teas together so it'd be easier for me to make and for me to drink. So yeah, and this is my little dirt pile right here that I gotta clean up. This is what I got left. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do this little haul for you guys. It ain't much of nothing, but this some stuff that I had got a while ago. I just ain't got through it. But yeah, let me do this little haul for you guys. So, wait a minute. Sure. There you go, I gotta tangle it up. So first things first, I got these little bedroom shoes. They cute, ain't they? They some memory foams. It's a memory foam, soft plush lining, indoor, outdoor bedroom shoes, and they Jessica Simpson. And they was $7.99. So yeah, I got these little bedroom shoes. I got this little headband right here. This cute, ain't it? It was $3.99. I got this little 3-pack of scrunchies, and this was $3.99. I got this little brush here, this bamboo scrub brush, and it was $1.99. You can, I think what I'm gonna use it for is, I think I'm gonna use it for dry brushing, like dry my, brush my skin off. Y'all know my skin be going through. But yeah, this was $1.99. It's cute too. I mean, I was gonna use it for like the pot, but this was like in the women's section over there where the woman care was, so that's why I got it. And I was like, yeah, I can dry brush, like scrape my skin and then take a shower. And then last but not least, I got this St. Ives Blackhead Oil-Free Salicylic acid acne medication green tea scrub. It said clears blackheads and unclogged pores. And I got this, and exfoliation factor is a moderate, and this was $3.99. So yeah, guys, so $3.99. That's what, 4, 6, 10, 18 $18 at Ross. Yeah, I don't spend money. Budget. Oh, I forgot this. Wait a minute, hold on. I spoke too soon, didn't I? $3.99. So $22 at Ross. So I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. This is something that I ordered from off Amazon. So I got this from Amazon. Oh, okay. It's a little rotating makeup organizer. So I wanted to get something that I can put my skincare on. So let me see if I can put this together. I said